Well, it's the most common sexually transmitted infection in Australia, and from today, a faster, more convenient way to detect it is available. A new at-home rapid screening kit for chlamydia is now on sale at pharmacies. It's one of 2 STIs covered by the test, which is now on offer, but not for everyone.
An at-home screening for chlamydia and gonorrhoea.
There's a swab.
Similar to a COVID test with results in 15 minutes.
Basically, you don't have to book that appointment. You don't have to pay for a full appointment. You don't have to wait for the test results. You can do it there and then at home.
The technology, developed by a Sydney-based company, TGA-approved last year, available at pharmacies nationwide from today, costing around $24 a test. It's currently only available for women. To collect a sample, you insert a swab into the cervix. For men, a urine sample is needed, and that doesn't yet produce an accurate enough result for a rapid test. Chlamydia is a sexually transmitted infection that usually spreads through unprotected sex. It's the most frequently reported STI in Australia and can be treated with antibiotics. So too can gonorrhoea. But both infections can present with minimal symptoms. If undetected, that can lead to pelvic inflammation, pregnancy complications and infertility. But medical experts say the rapid test can improve access to screenings, but emphasising a positive result still needs to be confirmed with a lab-based test, meaning you still need to go to a GP for a formal diagnosis and advice on treatment. There are other limitations too.
This test is very sensitive for vaginal chlamydia and gonorrhoea. However, it hasn't been tested for oral chlamydia and gonorrhoea or anal chlamydia and gonorrhoea, and it also doesn't test for other sexually transmitted infections, which are important when it comes to having a screen for STIs.
STIs are on the rise in Australia, currently affecting almost 1 in 6 Australians in their lifetime. Rates of chlamydia have increased by almost 20% over the last decade, and gonorrhoea 140%. There is growing concern globally that some strains of gonorrhoea are becoming resistant to treatment, but a study led by UK and US scientists into a new treatment for the infection has shown positive results, putting it on track to become the first new antibiotic for gonorrhoea in 3 decades. Abby O'Brien, SBS World